Hello, this very short tutorial should hopefully show you how to access Device Manager to see what drivers are or are not loaded, and this will work with any version of Windows from Windows XP all the way up to Windows 10. It probably works with Windows before that, but I'm sure we're not going to use very old Windows. Right, here we go. Two ways of going there. You can either click Start button and type our command in there, which just happens to be DEV for device and MGMT for management, and then .MSC, which all just stand for Master of Science. I believe, and I'm not researched this, it stands for Microsoft Service Console, but I could be corrected on that. Right, that's one way of doing it. The other way is to simply press the Windows key on the bottom left hand corner of your keyboard, and then the R key, and there we go. I'm going to put that in there again. DEV MGMT, that's device management, sort of abbreviated, .MSC. We click OK, or we can press enter, of course. I'm going to press enter just to be different. And there we are. There is our device manager screen with all the various devices we've got on here. I can very quickly plug something like a card reader in there, and that will give us a little bit of a beep. And if we go to disk drives now, we will see multiple card reader USB devices. It's just there. I can unplug it now and it will disappear. You can see on this screen there's none of those dreaded exclamation marks in the yellow marking. That's normally where there's a driver which is either incorrect, missing, or corrupted. If you do see those and your machine is working okay, well, probably well left alone. I've got a laptop that does the same. I think it wants to drive something like a card reader on the front, and I've never really bothered, and probably you can do the same. Right, I'm just very quickly going to plug it in a Samsung smartphone, and there we go. Bing bong, and there we'll see the screen refreshes. Sometimes it refreshes twice. There we go. Sometimes it does it once, but in this case, come out of disk drives, and we can go down to Samsung devices. Always come up as the modem, and there we are, Samsung modem USB, and it's modem number 6. That number may go up to horrendous figures like 300 or 400. Doesn't really cause any problems, but there are programs around that will take that away and make it 0 again, should you feel so desperate to do that. Right, in the background there, I'm just going to get that screen up. It's brought my Galaxy S4 up to show the file system. I don't want that, so I'm going to get rid of that for the time being. I can double click here. Just wait for a moment. That's it. You see the little wheel turning there. And there we are. There's the modem. I click on there. It will tell me it's using COM port 14. There's the speed. I don't really need to adjust any of this. I'm just sort of taking you through. Diagnostics, don't really want to do that. Advanced, I'm not sure why we would ever want to go there, but driver is the most important thing. If you have issues, or you suspect you have issues with drivers, come down here and then click on Update Driver. Ideally connected to the internet, and then the machine or your PC, your machine will go off to the internet and hopefully find more up-to-date or the correct driver. Sometimes we install things and we use a generic driver, which may not always be the best way to do things. So there we go. Details, there we go. That normally just has the description of the item and the driver. So there we go. I'm going to get rid of that. And if I unplug it now, you'll find that the Samsung modem will disappear, as if by magic. And there we are. We are left with just a standard modem, which is built into this PC. Right, so we've seen how to access very quickly Device Manager. It's a very, very, very good shortcut to know, because often you'll plug in phones or other devices like service boxes, and they don't work. This is where you need to come on your first step to find out where things are not going wrong. If you can find the device and there's no yellow exclamation marks, then you know the problem is probably elsewhere. There we go. Right, thanks for watching this video, and hopefully we'll see you again very soon. Bye for now.